In today's video, I will teach you what quick collections are and how to use them in Lightroom. Let's get started. Quick collections in Lightroom are a temporary grouping of photos that allows you to quickly organize and work on a set of images without affecting their original location in the catalog. This feature is especially useful for short-term projects or tasks where you need to gather images from various folders. So, what are quick collections? Quick collections let you compile photos from different folders or collections into one place without duplicating them or altering their original locations. Unlike regular collections, quick collections are designed for temporary use and can be changed frequently. They help streamline your workflow by allowing you to quickly access a set of photos for editing, exporting, or sharing. And here's how to use quick collections. You can add photos to quick selection by simply dragging photos from the film strip or the grid view into the quick collection. You can also press B to add a selected photo to the quick collections. Another way of doing it is selecting a photo, then going to the photo menu and choosing Add to Quick Collections. And here's how to view the quick collections. First, navigate to the Library module, and in the left panel, go to the Catalog, then click on the Quick Collection to view all photos currently in the collection. After adding photos to the quick collection, you can edit them as you would with any other photo in Lightroom. This makes it easy to batch edit or compare images without searching through different folders. To remove individual photos, simply select a photo, then press B again, and if you decide that the quick collection should be permanent, simply right-click on the quick collection in the left panel, then choose Save Quick Collection. Then name your new collection, and click Create. This converts the quick collection into a regular and permanent collection. You can use the quick collections for temporary tasks, like selecting photos for a blog post, social media, or a presentation. And you can also quickly group photos that need similar adjustments and apply batch edits efficiently. You can also use it to gather images that you need to export together without altering the original organization. And you can also use it to collect photos for review or comparison without creating a permanent collection. Quick collections are a powerful tool in Lightroom by allowing you to temporarily group and manage photos efficiently. Whether for quick edits, organizing a set of images for export, or simply gathering photos for review, quick collections offer a flexible and dynamic way to handle your photo library. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.